Softfoot Pro is a revolutionary footwear solution designed to provide exceptional comfort and support for those on their feet all day. Combining advanced cushioning technology with ergonomic design, Softfoot Pro offers superior impact absorption and alignment, reducing foot fatigue and enhancing overall well-being. Whether you're navigating a busy workday or enjoying leisure activities, Softfoot Pro's innovative features ensure a comfortable, personalized fit that adapts to your foot's unique contours. Elevate your daily comfort and performance with Softfoot Pro, where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled comfort for a truly supportive experience. KT2 Kung Fu Turtle is a cutting-edge, robotic marvel that combines advanced technology with traditional martial arts. Designed to emulate the agility and precision of a Kung Fu master, this innovative robot is engineered for both entertainment and educational purposes. With its sleek, agile movements and impressive range of martial arts techniques, KT2 Kung Fu Turtle showcases the fusion of robotics and ancient combat skills. Whether for demonstrating robotics capabilities, providing interactive learning experiences, or adding a unique touch to events, KT2 Kung Fu Turtle brings a new dimension to the world of robotics and martial arts. Wrist-mounted arrow launcher is a revolutionary piece of tactical gear that combines precision and convenience for archery enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. Designed to fit securely on your wrist, this innovative device allows for rapid, one-handed deployment of arrows, offering unmatched speed and agility. With its sleek, ergonomic design and durable construction, the wrist-mounted arrow launcher is perfect for a variety of applications, from competitive archery to survival scenarios. Embrace the future of archery with this cutting-edge tool, which seamlessly integrates into your gear for a modern twist on a timeless skill. Owlet is a pioneering brand dedicated to enhancing infant care through innovative technology. Renowned for its smart baby monitors and health tracking devices, Owlet offers peace of mind to parents with real-time insights into their baby's well-being. The flagship Owlet Smart Sock tracks vital signs like heart rate and oxygen levels, providing alerts to ensure your baby's safety while they sleep. With a focus on combining technology with compassionate care, Owlet is transforming how parents monitor and nurture their infants, making every moment safer and more connected. Experience the future of baby monitoring with Owlet's groundbreaking solutions. Jet Capsule is an innovative watercraft that redefines personal maritime travel with its striking, futuristic design and advanced technology. Combining the agility of a jet ski with the luxury of a yacht, the Jet Capsule offers a unique blend of performance and elegance. Its sleek, streamlined form allows for high-speed navigation across the water, while its spacious, customizable interior ensures a comfortable and stylish ride. Ideal for both adventurous explorations and serene getaways, the Jet Capsule provides an unparalleled maritime experience, making it a standout choice for those seeking both excitement and sophistication on the water. Brink Responder is a state-of-the-art tactical drone designed to enhance emergency response and rescue operations. Engineered for precision and reliability, the Brink Responder provides first responders with real-time aerial surveillance in situational awareness in critical scenarios. Featuring advanced imaging technology, robust communication systems, and rugged construction, it operates effectively in challenging environments, including low light and confined spaces. With its intuitive controls and rapid deployment capabilities, the Brink Responder empowers emergency teams to navigate complex situations, make informed decisions, and execute effective rescue missions, revolutionizing how they approach safety and crisis management. Nanoscribe Micro Miracles introduces a groundbreaking leap in precision engineering and nanotechnology. By harnessing the power of ultra-high-resolution 3D printing, Nanoscribe creates intricate microstructures with unparalleled accuracy. These micro miracles span the realms of science, medicine, and materials engineering, pushing the boundaries of what's possible at the microscopic scale. From advanced biomedical devices to innovative materials, Nanoscribe's technology is shaping the future, turning microscopic visions into tangible realities. Discover how these tiny innovations are making monumental impacts on our world. Sublue Vapor is a cutting-edge underwater scooter designed to transform your aquatic adventures. This compact, high-performance device offers a thrilling and effortless way to explore underwater environments, combining sleek design with powerful propulsion technology. With its intuitive controls and robust battery life, Sublue Vapor allows you to glide through the water with ease, whether you're snorkeling, diving, or simply enjoying a day at the beach. Its lightweight and portable build make it easy to carry and use, providing an exciting, user-friendly experience for water enthusiasts of all levels. Dive into a new realm of aquatic fun with the Sublue Vapor.